Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to watch movies on Nintendo Switch. Alright, let's begin. Currently, the Nintendo Switch 2 doesn't support Netflix or other streaming apps directly, but there's a simple workaround. First, open your Switch settings and scroll to Internet Settings. Let it search for available Wi-Fi networks, then select your Wi-Fi or hotspot. Instead of connecting right away, scroll down and choose Change Settings. Now, go to DNS Settings and set it to Manual. In the primary DNS field, enter the following code. Save your settings and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. The connection will fail, but that's what we want. When it fails, a browser page will open automatically. Click on the Google link, then search for Netflix. Select the official site, netflix.com, and sign in with your email and password. Once logged in, you can watch your movies and shows directly through this browser. So that's basically how you can watch movies on Nintendo Switch. That's it for this video. Thanks.